These are the elevators here at the White House garage in San Francisco, California. What the hell?
Today's hits and yesterday's favorites. Big getaway day today. A lot of folks leaving early, if they are leaving town at all for the Memorial Day holiday. If you're sticking around, lots of fairs and festivals. We've got the Greek Festival in Nevada. Bottle Rock, of course, coming to Napa. 40,000 fans per day for 80 different bands over 5 stages over 3 days. And the Mountain Plays back on Mount Tam this year featuring
It's a really nice garage.
another long set of feel good sounds. Good checking the memories. Maroon 5 on the way. It's the perfect season to power your
Oh good, the commercials are playing while I'm filming these. That is great for me. No copyright.
All powered by Intel Core processors.
Anyone going down? We're gonna switch here. Row 1. She's retarded. They renovated this place. Look at that ramp system. I believe this used to be a department store. It's a really small elevator.
It feels like every time I try to read a news story online, it's trapped behind a paywall.
You should try KTVU's Bay Area News Bundle. It gives you unlimited articles, a newsletter.
Get off wherever we stop.
All completely free.
How do I get started?
Visit KTVU.com/home to get everything for nothing. Events, hits, and no paywalls inside.
By the way, did you raise that brilliant idea that you had about the earnout with him?
Our homes, we protect them from intruders with security systems. But there's another kind of intruder most people aren't aware of until it's too late. Home title thieves. When a criminal transfers your home title to a fake identity.
He's open to it. He's open to it?
This is 2. We're gonna get off right here. Look at this, they converted the whole place into a parking garage. Alright, that'll be it.